English to Khasi translation. A conversation with a friend. Kajinya kren bat ulani kaparalok. English. Who's that, man? Khasi. Manu tayo blue. English. That's John. Khasi. Uday ujon. English. Who does he walk alongside? Khasi. But no u yaya lang kumtay. English. With my uncle. Khasi. But imama Jonah. English. Oh, I see. Khasi. Oh, hoode. English. Where do you live? Khasi. Pisa Shano. English. I live at Shillong. Khasi. Nasa Shillong. English. When did he arrive? Khasi. Manu uwan lanipoy. English. He arrived on Monday. Khasi. Uwan lanipoy. Hala kasi ublay. English. He arrived in the afternoon. Khasi. Uwan poy hakani ka nopaisni. English. Why did you leave? Khasi. Balay. Pilit. Me no. English. Because I am not feeling well. Khasi. Namarngam snuklan. English. How did you go? Khasi. Kumno pilay. English. By car. Khasi. Dakakali. English. Which car is better? Khasi. Kano kakali kakambha. English. White one. Khasi. Kabarong li. English. What are you doing? Khasi. Pidang le ayu. English. I am reading these books. Khasi. Ngadang pili kini kikot. English. Whose book is this? Khasi. Jongno kani kakot. English. It's mine. Khasi. Kajongahi. English. How many beds are there? Khasi. Katno tali ijintia dan. English. 4. Khasi. Southerly. English. How long did you stay? Khasi. Hado katno sni pisa. English. 1 month. Khasi. Shibnai. English. How far is your village from Shillong city? Khasi. Kadno kajngai kashnong jongpi na kanong ba Shillong. English. 20 miles away. Khasi. Arpo mer ay. English. At what time you will go? Khasi. Katno baje pinlet. English. I will go at 6 in the evening. Khasi. Nganlet hendriu baje janmir. English. At what time you will reach to your village? Khasi. Katno baje pinpoy shashnong jongpi. English. Maybe around 8 o'clock. Khasi. Taray prabaje. English. What you will do when you reach to your village? Khasi. Pinle ayu anda pilapoy shashnong. English. I'll be so busy with household chores. Khasi ngabun kam bha bat ki kam yeng kam sem. English I'll miss you so much. Khasi nan sakenja palat yaki. English don't worry, I'll come again. Khasi what khuslai nan sawan biang. English when will you come again? Khasi lanu pin wan biang. English maybe next month. Khasi let's see how banai manwan. English meet me when you come again. Khasi we can do yang dapiwan yang. English yes, I will definitely. Khasi hoy tikna ben. English alright, see you again next month. Bye bye. Khasi to kata saya kenduk pat la shambnai lek sok